It's time for Financial Freedom Friday with Matt Theriault.
Everybody wants a guarantee, right? But is anything in life really guaranteed? I mean, intuitively, we all know the answer to that question. Nothing in life is fully guaranteed because, unexpected things can happen. You can essentially guarantee your success with real estate, with business, with anything that you want, if you adopt this specific philosophy. Now, allow me a little bit of leeway to demonstrate. It will be worth it. You see, there's more information available today than there has ever been. And there's more technology to discover and deliver that information than there's ever been. Information is readily available to whoever wants it. It's there for the taking. The answers to whatever questions that you could possibly have are available and easily accessible. The solutions are there. So, why are people still searching for the secret to success? People are still searching for the magic formula for higher achievement, whether it's getting in shape or financial freedom or the perfect relationship, because they're looking for that missing piece of information that will miraculously make success happen for them. They want to know how to succeed. If they only had the knowledge, the right process, then they'd have the power to succeed. Contrary to popular belief, knowledge is not power. It is only potential power. Information must be delivered in the right environment with the correct associations for it to be effective and truly powerful. Additionally, that knowledge must be backed by the right kind of action for the power of that knowledge to manifest. Knowledge must be backed by consistent and persistent action. And therein lies your specific success philosophy. Now, allow me just a little bit more leeway to demonstrate what I mean. And I'll bring this home so that you'll know exactly what it is that you'll need to do on a daily basis for you to make as much money in real estate as you want, using none of your own money and none of your credit. So, let me ask you, what was your New Year's resolution this year? Was it to make more money? Was it to lose weight? Those are the two most common resolutions among Americans. Maybe you didn't make a resolution this year at all. That would round out the top three. More money, lose weight, and why bother? Some people think, why bother? Because New Year's resolutions, they don't work. Truth is, for most people, they don't. They don't work. And here's why. Let's say your resolution this year is to lose 30 pounds. If you were to start your weight loss plan today by spending 30 minutes on the treadmill, would you expect to lose 30 pounds after your first 30 minutes on the treadmill? Of course not. Would you expect to lose 30 pounds after a week of hitting the treadmill 30 minutes a day? After a week? Again, no. You see, if you want to lose 30 pounds, unless you live in some kind of reality warp, you are probably aware that it will require getting on that treadmill every day for a decent period of time. It'll certainly take longer than a week to make it happen. It'll take at least a month, most likely 2 to 3, maybe even more. Conversely, the same is true. If you missed a day on the treadmill, would you expect to gain 30 pounds? Again, of course not. It's ridiculous. You would not gain a whole 30 pounds from one missed workout. But foregoing a day on the treadmill would certainly not help you towards your goal. You understand that the decision to get on the treadmill every day will contribute to your weight loss, and the decision not to get on the treadmill every day will contribute to weight gain. That example, it may be oversimplified, but what I want you to understand is the power to succeed lies in the power to choose. The reason why people fail to reach their goals is because they fail to consistently make the choices that will realize them. This philosophy is very simple, but don't underestimate its power because of its simplicity. The point here is that you'll have to plant your seeds, so to speak, in order to reap the harvest. However, there's a germination and a cultivation process that has to take place before you can actually reap that harvest. It takes time. Regardless of what type of seeds you plant, how well you plant them, or how well you tend to them, it takes time to reap the harvest. Back to our weight loss example. You see, it's easy to get on the treadmill for 30 minutes. That's easy to do. And it's also easy not to do. Whether you get on that treadmill today or not, nothing is gonna happen in the moment. So it's easy to believe that today's decision to run or not to run, it's insignificant. Don't be fooled though. Your decision is significant, even though you don't see instantaneous results. You see, it's the little decisions, the tiny acts of discipline carried out over time that produce a compounding effect which results in success. Every decision matters. Either your decisions are compounding up or compounding down. That is the philosophy that will produce your success. This philosophy is the power behind accomplishment, the secret to success. It is the secret not just to real estate investing success, but any success. Each decision you make has power. It either gets you closer to your goal or it doesn't. This power, though, it's always working. You can't escape it. Every decision you make, including the very next decision that you make after watching this, is either compounding up or it's compounding down. It's always working. So every single decision you make matters. Our decisions are either working for us or working against us. The good news is that you actually get to choose which way it will go. So choose to make decisions that compound up. Deal? You ready to get started? Good. Without this first part, a list of how-tos and action steps wouldn't even matter. They wouldn't work for you. See, a lot of people skip over the mindset and foundational elements of becoming a millionaire real estate investor, which is why they never become one. But you're ready. I know you're ready. I can feel it. You wouldn't still be watching me if you weren't.